Yeah, business cards?
I have a few, yeah.
That's good. Okay, cool.
Like Camry with his high beams on, because the guy in front of me is going 75 in the express lane. I love driving in the morning in Florida.
Alright. Into the belly of the beast. Buddy getting pre-checked because of that banana bread. Forgot my crown, bro.
Well, couldn't make it happen. Come on, man. That'll be the true adventure.
Yeah, I think so.
I might go to the walk over there.
Oh, it's
Do you?
walking distance if you want to walk.
Yeah, why not? It's a nice day out.
Fuck yeah.
Let's go. Hey guys, it's Gerritt Huizenga from the Chicane Club. We are at the Sim Racing Expo, about to go in and meet a bunch of content creators, influencers, representatives for massive companies, the sim racing ecosystem. I can't wait, Nelson can't wait. Let's get into it.
Alright, have fun.
It's interesting. It feels way different than what we have at home.
The North American distributors for Cubic. We also do all of their turnkeys. And so we just launched here at this show our partnership with the Senna team. So this is the Senna 3. So we are going to have different liveries available, different options available for those that either Senna fans and just want people to have more immersion with what you have as well.
To this day, to someone who's not a Papyrus fan, but you had that rivalry, and it was a distinct difference. Not just the graphics, not just the content, but the actual feel or flavor of the simulation.
I just saw the shirt. I saw the shirt and I grabbed them right away. Good to see you, man. Hey, the show is awesome here. The show is awesome. What do you think?
So right now we're looking at the Simcraft rigs. I haven't gotten to drive it yet at all. We drove the Podium 1 to go there a while ago. That was the collaboration between Team Senna and Podium 1. It was cool, driving the Skippy at Lagos. A lot of motion, a lot of focus doing a lot of crazy things. It actually doesn't feel very bad. I mean, I came into this a little bit biased with the CXC sims. It does feel pretty good. It feels responsive, and it does give me a lot of feel.
Take it back to the roots, connected to earth like I am Groot. So my season eating up fruits, cross that line, I turn to a brute. Grown man, they've been acting like youths.
There he is, bro. There he is.
Name them branded, celebrate wins, but I don't drink brandy. Rough on the edge, just a little sip Sunday. I really can't say that I planned this. GCSE in school, yeah, crammed it. Black box moving like feds, so I jammed it. Bad girl wanna get dunked, so I slammed it. The bar is touching the sky when you hear my thing, it's coming too wavy. I can't even trust no man, put trust in myself. I know can't fail me, play me, don't try play me, get a free verse, cause soon you go.
This is a lot different than what we had back at home. Much more complex system. Trustable and adjustable pedals. That's all we need. It is a Simulcube steering wheel, wheelbase, a commercial wheel, and 3 monitors that we have on a different scale. The whole system, I've never driven any of them before, but this is apparently their top line model. This one doesn't have the same audio as the one over there for the media team, but it also has those smaller monitors that were not curved. But I'm excited. I've heard some great things about these things, and I'd love to see what it drives like. So we're about to get a video.
Right, left, right, all the way up in. Yes, arrows are in accordance to the direction of travel. What I'm looking for is your foot all the way down on the throttle. You're not all the way stretched out. You're not all the way crimped over the line. Right now, how does the steering wheel position? You like the whole leg up? Drop down a little bit? Yeah, we need to make any adjustments. We just simple thumb screw. We can make some adjustments. Alright. So let's start with our brake pressure. Change that guy up for you. Feel comfortable. How are you?
Back there on Navy Hatch. The Red Bull Mini Cooper.
What are those?
That is something you don't see ever. A completely stock, just full factory 180 SS.
How was this weekend?
It was good. I'm tired. It was fun. My legs hurt, to say the least, but it was a good event. Not really came after that.
What was your favorite part of the Sim Expo?
I might have to say meeting Malone. It's pretty awesome.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hell yeah. I definitely want to come back next year with the full event, and I'm really hoping that like the actual event is a bit more populated, so you get more creators, more companies, everything. This was the first year, but I really do have a lot of hope for next year.
Who?